If you open YouTube today and search options trading, you will see something like this. 5,000 rupees turned into 1 lakh rupees. Earn money in 5 minutes. Daily income from options. It looks very simple. It feels like anyone can do it. But let me ask you one honest question. If it is really that easy, why are most people struggling? Let me give you a fact. According to SEBI, around 9 out of 10 traders in F&O lose money. That is not a small number. That is almost everyone. Now think about this. More people are entering the market. Apps are easy to use. Videos are everywhere. Still, results are poor. So clearly, the problem is not lack of access. The problem is lack of real understanding. Hi, I am Pandya Rajan. I am the founder of Quantman. I have been trading in Indian markets for more than 20 years. And after all these years, one thing became very clear. Most traders are not failing because they don't know anything. They are failing because what they know, they are not able to apply properly. Let us start from the basics. What is options trading? I will explain this in a very simple way. Imagine you want to buy a bike. Today the price is 1 lakh rupees, but you are not fully sure. So instead of buying now, you tell the seller, I will give 5,000 rupees now. Keep this bike for me for 10 days. Now what happened? You didn't buy the bike. You just got the right to buy. If price increases, you can still buy at 1 lakh rupees. If you change your mind, you can walk away. Only loss is 5,000 rupees. This is exactly how options work. That 5,000 rupees is called premium. 1 lakh rupees is strike price. 10 days is expiry. Simple. Now let's connect this to market. If you feel price will go up, you take a call option. If you feel price will go down, you take a put option. That's it. Up, call, down, put. Now comes the important question. Why do people get attracted to options? Because of leverage. In simple words, small money can control bigger value. Let me explain. In normal stock trading, if price moves 2%, your return is also around 2%. But in options, the same move can give you much bigger return. Sometimes even 50% or more. This is what attracts beginners. They see small capital, fast return, and they feel this is easy. But this is only one side of the story. The other side is risk. Because the same speed works against you also. If the market moves opposite, loss also happens quick. Now let me explain something very important. In options trading, getting the market side correct alone is not enough. You also need the move to happen within your chosen time and with enough strength to make your premium grow. That is why many beginners feel confused. Let's take a simple situation. You take a trade thinking market will go up. Market actually goes. So your idea is correct, but still you don't make money. Why? Because you entered late, or you exited early, or the move was too slow. Another situation. Market doesn't move. You think nothing will happen, but your premium keeps reducing. Even without market movement, you can still lose money. This is because options have expiry. As time passes, value keeps reduced. Now think about this carefully. This is not simple buying and selling. There are multiple things happening together. That is why many beginners feel stuck. Now let me tell you one real pattern. Most traders don't lose immediately. They lose after gaining confidence. They take a few trades. They make small profit. They feel excited. They increase their position size. Then one bad trade comes and everything goes away. And after that, mind starts reacting. I will recover this. One more trade. I can fix. This becomes a loop. This is called revenge trading. And slowly it turns into addiction. Now ask yourself one question. Are you trading or are you reacting? This is where the real problem is. Not in strategy, in behavior. That is why when I built Quant, I didn't focus on giving more strategies. I focused on one problem, execution. Because before the market opens, everything looks clear. You decide your entry. You decide your stop loss. You decide your target. But during market, everything changes. Fear comes in. Greed comes in. Doubt comes in. And slowly, your plan disappears. That gap between plan and action is where most traders lose money. So, understanding options is just the first step. The real challenge is following your own rules. We will go deeper into that in the next, because something very surprising happens in trading. You can be right about the market and still lose money. Once you understand that, your entire approach will change. Remember this one line. Options trading is easy to understand, but difficult to execute without discipline. That is the real game. I will see you in the next video.
Trading and investing involve substantial risk and are not suitable for every investor.